All right, let us answer this question before us. It says Joan borrows $200,000 from a bank at a rate of 6% per annum compounding monthly. She repays this money in equal monthly repayments over 12 years. Find the total amount of interest she pays over the life of the loan. Okay, so that means we're going to be using this formula here, which tells me that the total interest paid is equal to the total amount paid minus the principal. Now, what piece of information do we immediately have? We know what the principal is. So she borrows out initially $200,000. So let's put that in. We have 200,000. What we don't know is the total amount paid. What are we told about? We're told that she makes equal monthly repayments. So that means that our final payment is going to be equal to all the other payments. The final payment in this case isn't different. We're making equal monthly payments over 12 years, which is good. So what that means is we're going to bring up our finance solver and we're just going to put in the information that we know. She's paying this off over 12 years with monthly repayments. So that's 12 times 12. That's how many payments she's going to make. The interest rate is 6%. The present value is simply the principal, so 200,000. I don't know what the payments are, but I do know that it's going to hit 0 after the 12 years. And I know that my PPY and CPY are both 12. If I now do that and I hit enter, that means that the equal monthly repayments are going to be 1,951.70. Okay, so what is the total amount paid? Well, I'm making, now this is the important part. Let's read this again. Equal monthly repayments over 12 years. So that means I'm making 144 payments of this much. So that means the total amount paid is going to be 144 times by 1,951.700 ... That is what it's going to be. So now I'm just going to take this number right here, Control C it. Then I'm going to go escape. I'm going to Control V it here. I'm probably going to get rid of this negative. Then I'm going to times it by 144. And that means that I'm going to end up paying a total of 281,044.86151. And I'm subtracting that away from my principal amount, which is 200,000. Let's just stop and think about this for a moment. This is saying over the 12 years, you're going to be giving the bank, in round numbers, about $280,000. But remember, you only borrowed $200,000. So there's a difference there of about $80,000, and that difference represents the amount of interest you've paid on the loan. So now I'm going to take this and subtract it from $200,000, which means all up, the total interest that I've paid is $810,440. Sorry, I can't read. Have I left out a zero here? No, sorry, not 810. 80, I can't read. 81,000, sorry. 81, I was looking at it and thought I saw an extra zero. 81,000, so 81044.86. That's your answer. Oh, too many zeros. There it is. That's how much you're going to end up paying in your total interest. All right. Hopefully that made sense. If I could read numbers, that would just be all the better. But you can't do everything, can you? There it is. Hopefully that makes sense. Total interest paid. We are all done.